2013 Toyota Venza, and then this one is a bent problem. It's front windshield bent is not working, not blown anymore. And then I'm gonna do this motor actuator. I think it's problem, and then we're gonna replace or fix. That one is take out this is bent here, and take off. This is accelerator, and then it's bolted here, and then here, and then here. But I cannot reach the too narrow, and then I can very difficult to reach. And then I gonna take off this one, and I gonna push this one, take off this one, then this one is push it up like this one, and then I gonna reach to bolt to here, and then take off actuator, this one. Okay, I take off this one, and then this one is has a here, and here. It's like a first time pretty difficult to take off this one. 1, 2, 1 first, and then 2, this one, and then here it's just like this one, like this, and then you take pull up, and then pull down, and then pull up like this one by this one, like this one. Sorry, this is moving. This one like this one, and then you can try. Okay, yes, you can do that. Okay. Next step, this one. This is the temperature, the mode actuator. This one is a mode like front band, or windshield band, and then moving, and then the change band, and then you're gonna take off from this one, push it here. Push it here, and like this one, and then take off, and then this one also push it here, and then you take off easily. Okay, next step, the very tricky part is very important. This one is bolt here, and here. Here. But this one usually take off, but this one is problem. Nobody take off. It was this is the motor blow. Then here is the inside air or outside air controller, like up and down, and then you're gonna first thing. This one is you can see the cover like this one here until here, and then you cannot put in the hand here. But you're gonna mode change at this one he's going backward, it's moving, and then I can reach this one, and then we're gonna like this one, and then reach here. You can see here, and then you take off bolt. Okay, I got bolt to this one here, this one. I got bolt this one from here. How to do? I reach this way, like this one, under here, like here. Okay, and then two hand use is possible together. Okay, I gotta do move this one or this one too by like this one. Okay, like this one. I could like this one. This one is easier. Okay, I take off this one, part one, this one. Okay, I got part this one. This is a used part, but it's a tested, it's working. And then when I replace this one and this one, this part number is like this one, and then 1P here it's 11p, but it's basically Toyota parts is this year is the same thing. And then I'm gonna put in this one. Okay, exactly same thing. Okay, I take off this one, parts one, this one. This is new, no, not new, old one. It's first time you try to take off this one, be careful. But it's possible, no problem. You have to this one, watching this one here, and then grab here, take up, and then moving, and then it's going down. Okay, I checked this one, and then moving, and then mode actuator is moving. Also, it's a temperature actuator also is moving. Like this one, cold, and then hot, and then mode vent actuator also is working right now, temporary working. This is very difficult to install this inside white one. This is roller, but roller has the outside has a 1 and 3rd and 2nd and first this one. It's very difficult to the put in here on position, and then also it's a temperature actuator. Also, you need it here. Is this one, right? This one is must fit with on position, also on position. That one is pretty difficult, but you can do that. Just to try to the position like this one, and then first third one, outside one roller is put in, and then third one position, and then second one position, and first position, and then put in. And then I did 5-6 times. I failed that one, and then finally I got that one. But you can do that, take time. Okay, I got reinstall this bolt. This bolt is pretty difficult, but you can use the tape, and then put in bolt here, and then tape here, and then put in here, and then use this space. And then I'm going to reinstall this one, reinstall this one, and then put in again this one too, and then I'm done. That one is pretty difficult, but we can do that. I did, and then you can do that. Okay, I'm gonna start the engine, and then final check to this 2013 Toyota Venza. And then when it's the accelerator, motor, left side, right side, it doesn't matter, it's a problem, you show the auto, and then it cannot turn on immediately. Like you have to wait about 10 seconds or 15 seconds, and then auto show is gone, and you can use this one. But after it's no problem, it's actuator, motor, everything is we can do immediately working. And then that's the symptom you can check. Also, like vent air is also coming out before it's not coming out, and the winter is freezing, and the snow is not melting. It's got trouble, but right now it's working. The mode is good. you know, it's working perfectly. And then temperature also, temperature is okay. You know, it was a motor problem and actuator motor. Okay, thank you.